Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes GL 450. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Taking a look inside at the leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control. You have dual heated and cooled seats as well. And you have more audio controls here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mercedes on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.